Hey everyone, this is Miguel Contreras. Today I'm joined by my good friend Maureen Martin, who is with
SanDiegoHomeLender.com.
SanDiegoHomeLender.com. Today we're going to be talking about some upcoming FHA changes that will affect your purchase. Maureen, so when do the changes take place?
So the changes take place this year on June 3rd, 2013. And one of the main changes, other than the increased basis points that are going to be going up by 10 basis points on the monthly mortgage insurance, Miguel, are the time that a borrower has to have the mortgage insurance.
Okay, well let's talk about that. How currently, as the FHA stands, how long does a borrower, when they finance a home with FHA, need to have mortgage insurance with their loan?
So currently right now, the rule is you have to have it for at least 5 years, and then you have to have 22% equity. So once you hit 78% equity in the property. 78% loan to value, 22%.
Is it an either or? 5 years comes first?
5 years and.
And, so it's 5 years and
22%
equity. So you're pretty much stuck with mortgage insurance, or as we call it in the industry, MI, for 5 years. And the changes that are upcoming?
On June 3rd, 2013, if your case number for your FHA loan is ordered after June 3rd, 2013, it's going to be, if you have less than 10% down on the home, you're going to have it for life.
Wow.
And if you have 10% or greater down, it's 11 years.
11 years.
Yeah.
Wow. So what I'm gathering is that if you purchase a home with an FHA loan after June 3rd, you're going to be stuck with MI for 11 years or the life of the loan.
At least, yeah.
So my understanding is that it will be a lot more expensive to get an FHA.
It will. Overall, in the end, it'll be a lot more expensive, but FHA is still the answer.
I agree.
You know, I mean, there's a lot of times that, Fannie Mae, for example, has a huge cost for lower FICO scores, whereas FHA, it doesn't affect it the same way. And the same with the restrictions and guidelines regarding the down payments. So it's still definitely an option to keep in mind.
So don't despair, but if you're currently on the market and you're sitting on the fence, now is the time to get your FHA loan. It'll be less expensive. But should you need to close an escrow or purchase a home after June, don't despair. FHA is still a really good product for you because of a lower FICO score requirements and so forth.
But I mean, if you're on the fence, again, if you have a current FHA loan, you're on the fence regarding a streamline or refinance, definitely do it before June 3rd.
Now, what about the upfront mortgage insurance premium? Are there any changes?
No changes to that.
Okay.
So far, so good.
So far, so good.
But FHA makes changes all the time based on their insurance pool and how, you know, their foreclosures and stuff. So.
Excellent. So what advice would you give to a borrower right now?
Advice I give to a borrower, I mean, obviously don't kill yourself and buy something that's, you know, gonna throw you off just because you're trying to avoid the FHA changes. I mean, the one thing that we can count on in this industry is change.
Yeah.
So, you know, I mean, we definitely, you know, get the house that fits your needs, not necessarily, you know, for the financing purposes. There's always programs out there, and things change all the time. So.
Yeah, and if someone needs to get a hold of you, they can get a hold of you where?
You can reach me at www.SanDiegoHomeLender.com or 619-857-7191.